Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how you can easily enable the desktop site view in Google Chrome. Whether you're browsing on your phone or tablet, sometimes websites look a little different in mobile view. If you want to see the full desktop version, Chrome makes it possible with just a few quick steps. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your device. Once you're inside the browser, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice three vertical dots. That's the menu button. Go ahead and tap those three dots to open up a list of options. Next, from that menu, scroll down until you see Settings. Tap on Settings, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can adjust a variety of features and preferences. This is where you control how Chrome behaves while you browse. Now that you're inside the Settings section, scroll down again until you find Site Settings. Select Site Settings, and here is where Chrome gives you more control over how websites load on your device. Within the Site Settings menu, look for the option labeled Desktop Site. Tap on it, and you'll see a simple toggle switch. All you need to do is turn that switch on. Once enabled, Chrome will request the desktop version of websites instead of the mobile version whenever possible, and that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the desktop site option in Google Chrome. From now on, when you visit websites, you'll get the full desktop experience, making it easier to use features or layouts that might not display as well on mobile versions. If you ever change your mind and want to go back to the regular mobile view, just follow the same steps and switch the toggle back off. It's as simple as that. So, now you know how to enable desktop site in Google Chrome quickly and easily. This small adjustment can make a big difference in how you interact with your favorite websites.